So hello, my name is Alexis Martinez, and here is my website as of now. So we are able to pull data from the SQL manager, and I have it so that like if you're a normal user, you'll just get like basic information. And I added a read now button, which also gives us a story in case people are too afraid to download anything onto their computer. I understand what that feeling is like. So even here I have extra about the author and such, just so people can see more if they want to, if they are curious. And then here is the protected page meant for admins and such. So like we're going to go ahead to the author and see, like, you get a storyteller. If I do that again, and the reason I have this set up this way is because if I wouldn't want people to just be able to come in here. Alex, a ghostwriter, as of late. He currently died, I guess. I don't know why I put that there. That's really funny. But yeah, and I just wanted to show you how like we are successfully pulling from all of this stuff. So like if I go to review as well, here we go. We have a full review, just things like we might not want people to know, and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my current updated website. It has the admin page, has the stuff, and we can even log out, which is nice, and we end up back at the home page. And yeah, so this still works for everything. We can still listen. We can still listen to audiobooks and download the stories as well. And I'm going to go ahead and explain a bit of the code now, just so you can see what's going on. So I was running it here in Visual Studios itself, just because it was a bit easier for me to accomplish at the moment. And so we're using things like Flask and SQL libraries to help us with this portion. And then I also had to add import OS for our keys, just so that I can make the password protected page. So to jump into our functions, I have a bunch of I separated them by sign-in item, and then we have like the normal pages, and as you can see, there's not much going on in these functions, and it's more just about the routes and stuff, is because I wanted to separate like stuff like this. So as you can see, if I pull up I have them open, even better. If I pull up the backstory, everything is here. Anything that really I wasn't intending on like people to really play around with, or if they were going to be static pages, really, that's what I put them in. I just wanted to keep things separate so that I can like easily maneuver through the code, because it started getting really messy really quickly. And then we have this where we were pulling the data from the user tables, and then we also have, so we have two types of functions for pulling from SQL. So I have our general ones where we were pulling specific things from each one. I modified all of these so that it would be more of for the normal, or like not normal, but like the average user, like things they should be allowed to view. And then we have the all functions, which are all separate stored procedures that give the admin all the information they would need to know. And then we also have our routes for the actual stories, where that I clicked on, where we just are able to read everything. And yeah, here are the 4 tables. We have authors, reviews, stories, and users. And then we also have the 8 separate stored procedures, which are really nice. And like I'll show you, we just have them set up. And then like things like here, like I wanted only a few things to show up for each of the books, so I had to do that separately. And yeah, okay, so this is my assignment. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to start on the final. Have a good one.